Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use Zoom meeting on your phone. I'm just going to give you a quick, very simple tutorial on how to use a Zoom meeting on your phone. Use a Zoom meeting on your phone. Here we have the meet and we have the join, schedule, and share. So the meet here, once you click on the meet, you will be the one who will start the Zoom meeting. So you can use this, turn this on. So once you turn this on, they will just need to type in this code to enter. Use my PMI and it will not generate a PMI. So we're gonna click on video up, then start a meeting. There you go, it's the mute and unmute and just click on start. And here we have the simple, we have the participants right here. All the participants are here, chat, reaction, share screen, so CC or caption. If you want, here's the whiteboard and apps that you can add, docs, notes, and here at more you can only do is we have the host tool. So the host tool here, all the host tools are available if you are the host. Lock meeting, waiting room, hide over, share screen, chat with everybody and anyone directly, start video, rename, unmute, share whiteboard, share notes, record to computer, request to record to computer, and we can remove participants and suspend participants activity. Oh, there you go. So now we're just gonna go back and to join a meeting. Oh, I forgot to end it, so we're gonna end this meeting. So to end this meeting, click on end right there. So there's a two, just end meeting for all and leave meeting. Once you leave the meeting will still run without you. And the person in the side the Zoom will still be able to use that meeting. But if you click on end for all, this will end a meeting for everybody, even if there's someone still in the Zoom. Next thing is the join. So the join is here you will be able to join a person's meeting. So you need to type in the number of the meeting and say like that. Once you click on that, click on join. There you go. Just typed in random numbers, blah 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 blah. So there. So sometimes there's a password when you're joining a meeting, or sometimes there's not a password when joining a meeting. But it depends on the person who's sending you the invite, whether if they want you to enter in a password or not enter in a password. For right now, we have nobody has joined us with the meeting, but there you just enter the meeting code ID. Then there you go. We have the schedule right here. The schedule right here will have we can schedule our meetings. Say client virtual Zoom meeting, we can add Zoom meetings right there. Passcode right here, change it if you want. A host video, there you go. You can customize date and time zone, and repeat how many times as you want. Let's say every Tuesday, every Monday, something like that. And the time, there. So here share. So once you click on share, you need to allow all of that, and then you'll be able to share your screen. There you go. As you can see, enter shares or key meeting to share to Zoom room. But right now we don't have anyone. So if we have somebody there, we can share our screen right in front of them while using our phone, and we can discuss or tackle about things that we need to tackle about. And here at the bottom, we have the simple things like team chat and documents right here. And the calendar is very important if you have any classes or gonna make a class. There you go. Or maybe you're gonna have to meet with somebody in Zoom. Calendar is very useful. There you go. Docs. Here we can make our words or documents right here. Team chat, if you have any friends here, type in DM, start a new chat, somebody. And here we have the more. So the more icon, as you can see, free trial offer. The more is for paid members only. Paid, I mean, sorry. There's much in more. There's paid members. In more, there's paid members only. But once you unlock this, you will unlock much more stuff. Like, for example, you will unlock the 40 minutes 40 minutes Zoom meeting. You'll have the Zoom meeting over 40 minutes. Over 40 minutes. Because right now we're at the basic, which means when we start a meeting with three or more people, the Zoom will end every 40 minutes. So there you go. Here we can see our tasks, mails, whiteboard clips, notes, contact, events, and apps. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.